Class 12, let us continue the chapter. Next, sum number 12. What is the question? If log y is equal to sine inverse x, then show that 1 minus x square into d2y dx2 is equal to x dy dx plus y. Okay, now let's start from here. The solution: log y equals to sine inverse x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get, so it is coming 1 by y dy dx, and ddx of sine inverse x, we know 1 ddx of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so dy dx means this. Now squaring both sides, what we will get? Let us write dy dx is equals to y by square root of 1 minus x square. Now squaring both sides, we will get dy dx whole square is equal to y square by 1 minus x square. Okay, now do the cross multiplication. Then what we will get? 1 minus x square into dy dx whole square is equal to y square. Okay, now again differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we will get? 1 minus x square into 2 dy dx into d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole square into ddx of 1 minus x square means minus 2x, and here it is coming 2y dy dx. Okay, now dy dx from both sides we can cancel. 2 dy dx. 2 dy dx from both sides we can cancel. Then what we will get? 1 minus x square d2y dx to 2 dy dx cancelled, and plus minus, this will be minus 2 dy dx cancelled, is coming x dy dx is equals to 2 dy dx cancelled is equal to y. Okay, now take this term to the right hand side only. Therefore 1 minus x square d2y dx2 is equal to x dy dx plus y. Proved. Sum number 12 also done. Okay, next we will do sine inverse type sum. Already one sum done. Next, sum number 17. All sums I am not doing, but few sums are also I have done for you, but you will get the PDF now, because if I want to do all the sums in these videos, then again more videos I have to make. It's not possible, because for other class also I have to make videos. And so next, sum number 17. Sum number 17, y equals to e to the power, this sum is very important, e to the power m sine inverse x, e to the power m sine inverse x, where minus 1 less equals to x less equals to 1, restriction is there. Then prove that 1 minus x square d2y dx2 minus x dy dx is equal to m square y, is equal to m square y. Okay, this sum is very very important. Many times this sum many times it came in the exam. Okay, so dy equals to this, so let us find dy dx. Dy dx equals to e to the power m sine inverse x. We can write e to the power mx means m e to the power mx, so we will write m e to the power m sine inverse x. Okay, into d dx of sine inverse x, we know 1 by square root of 1 minus x square by chain rule. Okay. Now let's do the cross multiplication. We will get square root of 1 minus x square dy dx is equals to m e to the power m sine inverse x. Okay. And e to the power m sine inverse x, already we know that is equals to y. So let us write this is equals to my. And here it is square root of 1 minus x square dy dx. Okay. Now squaring both sides, what we will get? Squaring both sides, we will get 1 minus x square dy dx whole square is equal to m square y square. Okay. Now again differentiating both sides. Again differentiating both sides. What we will get? 1 minus x square as it is. Dy dx whole square means 2 dy dx into d2y dx2 is equal to m square into 2y dy dx. Now 2 dy dx will be cancelled from both the sides, and what we will get? 1 minus x square d2y dx2. 2 dy dx cancelled, it is coming only m square y. No, one term is missing. Why? 1 minus x square 2y dy dx. Oh, plus this term I have not written. That is, sorry, 1 minus x square this, then plus dy dx whole square. Okay, let me write it again. One term is out. Dy dx whole square this term plus dy dx whole square into d dx of 1 minus x square means minus 2x. Okay, is equal to, already I have written that side, m square 2y dy dx. Now what did I say? 2 dy dx will be cancelled from both the sides. So when we will take 2 dy dx, so it is coming d2y dx 2, and it is minus x dy dx. Minus x dy dx. 1 y dy dx already cancelled. So 2 dy dx done. So minus x dy dx is equals to y 2 dy dx cancelled. So it is coming is equal to m square y. Okay. Yes. This only we have to prove. 1 minus x square d2y minus x dy dx is equal to this, proved. Okay. This sum is very, very important. Next sum is also very important. Sum number. This is sum number 19. Sum number 19 is also very important. Sum number 19. I think for this video, this is the last sum. Sum number 19, what is the question? Y equals to sine 2 sine inverse x. Sine 2 sine inverse x. Then prove that. You have to prove that 1 minus x square 1 minus x square d2y dx2 d2y dx2 is equal to x dy dx minus 4y. X dy dx minus 4y. x divide dx minus 4y. So let us write divide dx at first. Therefore, divide dx is equal to divide dx is equals to differentiating both sides with respect to x. Sine 2 sine inverse x. So sine mx we know m cos mx. So we will write 2 cos 2 sine inverse x. 2 cos 2 sine inverse x into square root dx of sine inverse x means 1 minus x square. Okay, now just do the cross multiplication. Then we will get 1 minus x square divide dx is equal to 2 cos 2 sine inverse x. Okay, now squaring both sides, what we will get? 1 minus x square, it is coming divide dx whole square is equal to 2 square means 4 cos square 2 sine inverse x, cos square 2 sine inverse x. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we will get? 1 minus x square into 2 divide dx into d2y dx2 is equal to, oh, plus, again missing the same thing, plus divide dx whole square into minus 2x is equal to 4 into 2 cos 2 sine inverse x, 4 into 2 cos 2 sine inverse x, 4 into 2 cos 2 sine inverse x into d dx of cos 2 sine inverse x. Okay. So this side we will get 2 into 1 minus x square divide dx into d2y dx2 plus divide dx whole square, okay, minus 2x divide dx whole square is equal to 4 to the 8 we can write. Better not to write. 4 square root of 1 minus 2 cos 2 sine inverse x, 2 cos 2 sine inverse x, 2 cos 2 sine inverse x means square root of 1 minus x square divide dx. Here 2 cos 2 sine inverse x, 2 cos 2 sine inverse x equals to square root of 1 minus x square divide dx. Here instead of this 2 cos 2 sine inverse x we will put this value. Then what we will get? We will get 4 into square root of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square divide dx. Okay, I into d dx of cos 2 sine inverse x means minus 2 sine inverse minus 2 sine 2 sine inverse x, minus 2 sine 2 sine inverse x, sine 2 sine inverse x into d dx of sine inverse x, or write it 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So this is all into, so this one square root of 1 minus x square and denominator square root of 1 minus x square. Now these two will be cancelled. Okay, and here we will write minus, let us write, so this side we will write minus 4, minus is there, and 2 sine 2 sine inverse x, Sine 2 sine inverse x is equals to y. So we can write 4 into 2y. 4 into 2y. 4 into 2y into dy dx. Dy dx existing. 4 into 2y dy dx. Minus 4 into 2y dy dx. And these two already cancelled. Okay. Done. Now from both sides we can cancel 2 dy dx. 2 dy dx. Then what we will get? 1 minus x squared, 2 cancelled, divide is cancelled, so we will get only 2 d2y dx2 minus 2 divide is cancelled, so minus x divide dx remaining is equal to 2 divide dx cancelled, so we will get minus 4y only. Check. Okay, so just take this minus x divide dx terms to the right hand side, then what we will get? 1 minus x squared d2y dx2 is equal to x dy dx minus 4y. Proved. I think everything is clear to you. Okay. Now other sums, few sums are also there, but now it's not possible to make another videos for you. Many videos already made for you, class 12. Okay. So let me end at this moment. And other sums, please go to the descriptions. Okay, we'll get other sums. Thank you. Bye everyone.